It's 10 minutes to 5 now. I just climbed up an extremely hard trail, way too difficult for sure. So now there's a little bit more to go to get to a white cross. I can't remember the name of that village down there, something about Rosa de Castilla, I think. And up here is a cross, and I'm almost there. Made it! These guys down there didn't think I could. Good luck everybody who's going to try this climb. That's it for today. It's 5 o'clock. Got 2 hours to get back probably. See you tomorrow.
Y agarra, va dando curvas porque está bien hierbaludo, pero sí cabes con la moto.
Ah, qué bueno pues.
Entonces, está una subidilla y luego está ya allí al comenzar a subir la loma arriba a la planadita. Allí hay una carretería y esa carretería se va toda la loma y llega hasta el rodeo.
Rodeo, ah, qué bueno entonces.
Llegas hasta al rodeo